Dagdagan lang.
Dapat sure, oy, what? Isa ko matulog kay explain ka na ko sa mga grade 4.
Can you bring a speaker by tomorrow, Sophia? Bisa gamay lang na speaker so that naamoy magamit. Or you can ask Abby to bring her her speaker. Okay?
Okay, sure. Bye. Good night.
Yeah, silent but deadly. Jane is siya. Huh? Happy! Happy yan! Happy! Hmm? So happy! Uy, ayaw. Pag kita ipit, kita ning...
Ay, nasa-stress. Baho!
Uy, bot!
Uy, sige, magkagatol.
Okay.
Ay, magkagatol.
Smells like...
It smells fishy. It smells like isda sa bato.
like dead fish. Like dead fish.
Ay,
Palautot!
Sure na, may speaker akong at tilablab. Ask na ko kung pwede.
Ano tayo? Silent assassin. Yeah! Oh. The silent assassin. Pastilan. If dili available, ayan na lang. Just ask Abby na lang. Naka-contact ni Abby. Yeah! So ew. So ewy. What are they doing? No, pagi siya naman. Oh. No.
I was farted, guys.
Wala ko siya kinakawa.
Farted on my face. Bastos! She farted on my face. Ew! It's dangerous. Ay, gancho! Busiga! It smells like dead chicken. Lima na ko ka-oras ka live.
Palugan na
She
na eh.
farted on my face. Nadulugdog. Okay.
Okay na. Ano po na no? Ano po na isa? Hapit na. Hapit na. Porto.
Isa.
Hapit na porto. Uy, ate, sindagan-dagan na siya. Puro ko
Oo,
siya
paling
balik.
tindog.
Okay,
Paling
siya
check.
Pushing up. Pinakapugi ng team support. Hi, Remark Sobing-Sobing. Hello, hello, hello. Mega love shout out.
My tummy is hurting. Guys, subscribe to my go to her live. She
Come here,
farted on my
guys.
face.
Come here, guys. I will part your face.
Ito, pag kami nito. Yan, dili.
Sabat na
Dili,
didi.
dili. Just
Sabat-
farted on my face. Just
Sabat
zoom
na
into
didi.
me.